Why does my phone always say storage full? What to do when iPhone storage is full? Do not worry. We have many ways to manage your iPhone storage full issue. As long as you follow these methods correctly, you can free up space on your iPhone. Part 1. My iPhone storage is full. 10 tips to fix. Tip 1. Keep your photos in iCloud Photo Library. Tip 2. Delete unused and pre-installed apps. Tip 3. Clean app cache data on iPhone. Tip 4. Set messages to delete automatically. Tip 5. Clear your browsing data of iPhone. Tip 6. Offload unused apps without deleting their data on iPhone. Tip 7. Delete old photos and videos on iPhone. Tip 8. Turn off photo stream. Tip 9. Choose the normal photos only. Tip 10. Erase all content and settings. Part 2. Ultimate solution to fix iPhone storage issues. The fast pace of life and work makes you want to save time on managing phone memory. Seeking one-click deletion of all files on iOS devices, Mobican Eraser for iOS is the perfect solution. It deep cleans your iPhone. How to fix iPhone out of memory problem using Eraser for iOS. Step 1. Connect iPhone to computer. Launch Eraser for iOS, and it will detect the device automatically. Click Erase to proceed. Step 2. Select desired security level low, medium, high, then click OK to confirm. Step 3. On the new screen, type in delete in the blank box and then click the erase button to erase content and settings on the iPhone.